Okay, so what just happened? We checked in. And what happened?
Well, the room is not quite ready yet. Well,
Yeah.
totally understand. After Lisa was here, so the room was quite booked here.
Oh, yeah, that's why. You can see Asai over there. But they were also going to upgrade us.
To a bigger room.
Which we didn't want.
declined.
Which is kind of weird. But the cool thing with the room we're actually getting is that it has a great view of the city or Chinatown and some temples, and we can actually see Kye&Svein as well.
Yeah.
So we prefer that as well. We stay with Dusit quite a bit, so we are gold members, so we get upgraded. But we don't really want to stay in an upgraded. So we're just getting off the elevator, and we're going to 710. Okay, so here we go in. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so as we go walk in, there's a mirror, a full-length mirror, and then some. On the right side, there is a place to put suitcases and hang some stuff. Here, there's a water boiler, there's a safe, there's a mini fridge, there's Kye. Alright, so here's the bathroom. And as you can see, there's a sink. What is beeping now? There's a sink right here. Oh, somebody was pressing something? Is that what happened? There's a sink. There's a toilet, or hongnam as we like to call it. Or is that true? And there is the shower. So we're walking into the main part of the room. There is a very long bench here where you can put stuff. And we do a lot of shopping when we're in Chinatown, so we will do a lot of putting on the bench, I guess. There's the bed. There's a little desk and a chair. And there's Kye in front of the window. How's the view, baby? It's good? So in the background here now we can see Chinatown. But interestingly enough, this building right there is Kye&Svein. Okay, so we got some... So we're staying at Asai Hotel, which is part of the Dusit chain. Kye, you want to show what we got? Okay, so there's... Yeah, do you want to explain? On the right side over here, what do we have?
We have a toothbrush.
Oh,
With,
yeah.
I think toothpaste in it. Going to
No,
open it.
it's
Okay.
fine.
And here we got the shower cap. And we got the cotton bud cap, which is good for my makeup remover. And that's it.
And what's...
And slipper, which
Yeah, I think we're using the word slippers pretty lightly here.
yeah.
Sure.
Well,
These are...
that's it. See-through.
See-through slippers. You don't see that every day. Nice. So we've been coming here now for 3 years. It's the third time or third year we're staying here, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we're super happy with it so far. They had like a guide here for things we can do. We know the area pretty well, but there's still obviously things we don't know. So we're gonna do a little of that later. The story, blah blah blah. It's in the middle of Chinatown, so this is the coolest place in Bangkok. Play, see, eat, drink. And here is the map. And I can already tell you we're gonna do this one. The Ba Hao Tian Mi, a modern retro Chinatown
And where is it
cafe
located?
serving classic desserts. It is number 2. We are the big A. As in, hey mate. And then we're gonna go down there, which is it's right across the street pretty much. We can see it from the window down here.
Oh, okay.
So I don't want to walk in with shoes, but I'll do that afterwards.